Hello everybody, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you where we're at because we've made a bit of progress and I'm pretty excited about it too. Let me show you my screen here. Well, I edited the CSS so that it's a little bit wider, it's responsive, it can shrink her down. We've got the navigation bar in there looking good. I can sign in John Doe, my password. We can sign in there, and now we're there. Okay. It shows me from my my user table, the company that I work for, my address, the address of or my email address, and then all my vending machines. And say I wanted to change the placement of my vending machine. We just click the edit and we'll go front lobby. Maybe we could change it to back lobby. And we click that, and now it's in the back lobby. Okay. It doesn't have address in there, so maybe we can add address to the edit machine route. Okay, so let's yeah. Let's go for it. How do we do this? Maybe we'll save that for the next one. This is just an update of where we're at right now with the dashboard, and we have our machines listed, and now we can edit the machines. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.